Privacy has been a big issue nowadays. Whether it is browsing or streaming, there are so many trackers in the internet that track your activity and take the data, including your personal info. So, to get out of this situation, we have picked some secure browsers which help in securing your search activity without exposing it to harmful sites. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Vijay from UnboxMate, and today in this video, let's check out 4 secure browsers that you need to install before getting data breached. Tor browser is one of the biggest and first preferred browser in terms of privacy and security. It is a web browser that anonymizes your web traffic using Tor network. This browser encrypts the data searched by the user, making sure that his activity is safe and secure. It basically blocks all the trackers, defends against surveillance, resists fingerprinting, and has multi-layered encryption. As it is based on Firefox, it produces a bug-free experience. But there are some issues with Tor regarding the browsing speeds. As it is highly protected, the browsing speeds are slow as compared to other browsers, which is a downgrade to this browser. Tor has this different user interface than other browsers, which may be confusing for some people. Most of the users may not like this interface, but after some time, you'll get used to it. This browser is available on Android, Windows, and iOS operating systems. Brave is another best browser in terms of privacy and blocks most of the harmful trackers. It mainly focuses on blocking ads to provide an ad-free experience to its users. As there are huge websites and ads that try to track your identity, Brave identifies them and blocks them. This app is based on Chromium, which is same as Google Chrome, but it is far more reliable than Chrome. It emphasizes privacy and security without sacrificing features or performance. This browser has an impressive list of features and its performance is top-notch. It has great browsing speeds and low RAM consumption. This browser has many security features including ad blocker, shields that block cookies and trackers, fingerprinting, and even Tor mode for Windows. But the Tor mode in this browser is also slow, similar to Tor browser. And the security levels with this mode are same as Tor browser. The UI of this browser is pretty similar to Chrome's user interface, making it easy to understand. Finally, this browser is available on Android, Windows, as well as iOS. Epic is another great browser that hides your identity while browsing and streaming. Even this browser blocks all the ads and trackers, making it safe to use. This browser has built-in encrypted proxy, and when it is enabled, it encrypts your search data. Every tab in this browser has a separate encryption process for a better security. It also avoids data abuse, spying, and fingerprinting, making it one of the safest browsers out there. It is also verified by the Norton Safe Web, which is a great thing. Even this browser is made on Chromium like Chrome, and the user interface is pretty similar to Chrome's user interface. If you are a Chrome user, then you'll find it easy to use. This browser is also available on Android, Windows, and iOS platforms. DuckDuckGo is actually a search engine that allows the user to browse without any privacy-related issues. This engine is available almost in all browsers, including Google Chrome as an extension add-on. It even launched mobile-compatible app to make sure the users feel even more secure. This app blocks all the trackers, making it as a private search. It even contains site encryption, making it hard to track by the websites. As Google services monitor your activity and show personalized ads, DuckDuckGo doesn't monitor your activity and it doesn't care in what you're interested in. It ensures the anonymity of the user by blocking all the cookies. This is one of the safest browsers that you can use without any hesitation. And if you're tired with the Google monitoring system, then this is best browser for you. Now coming to the UI, it is pretty simple and unique from other browsers. It hardly contains some settings related to privacy and theme selection which don't confuse the user while using it. This browser is Android compatible, Windows compatible and iOS compatible. You can even add it as an extension on Safari browser on iPhones. So these are some amazing browsers which will help you in protecting your search activity without getting exposed to harmful sites. If you found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more amazing tech videos and stuff. Last but not least, stay home, stay safe.